Did you know that lifestyle and diet has a role to play in women having polycystic ovarian syndrome? Of course, it is very important that in as much as you are taking your medications, your lifestyle and the diet you take in has a lot of role to play, either impacting on the PCOS positively or negatively. So I'm going to be talking about some food to avoid in women having polycystic ovarian syndrome. Number one on the list is sugary food. The thing is, when women have polycystic ovarian syndrome, it is advisable they avoid any food containing sugar, because when you take this sugary food, it tends to overwork your pancreas that produces insulin. So the function of the insulin in the body, naturally it helps to lower blood sugar level. Yeah, so when we take in food that has sugar level, it triggers the pancreas to release insulin. So this insulin reduces the blood sugar level and stores some of this sugar level in the form of glucose in the cells for a later use. So the thing is, when you have PCOS and you are craving sugary food as a woman, you overwork the pancreas. So the pancreas tends to pump out more insulin out for this sugar to reduce the sugar to a great extent. So the thing is, when this insulin are overly pumped out, they become very resistant to the sugar that has been taken into the body. So they refuse to start reducing the sugar level. So if the insulin does not reduce the sugar level in your blood, it leads to high blood sugar, and this high blood sugar over time can lead to diabetes. So that's why you see, when you have PCOS, it is advisable you stay clear from any food containing sugar. Yes, so it's best to just avoid sugar as a whole. So in that process, you reduce the insulin that is produced, the sugar level is reduced, and as well the hormones that would have been triggered, the male hormones that would have been triggered to cause production of facial hairs, hairs in the chest region, acne, and all of that symptoms associated with PCOS is reduced drastically, because you are doing your own part by reducing the sugar you take in. So that is for that. Then we have processed food. Yes, so you have to avoid processed food and carbohydrates. So you have to reduce the amount of carbohydrate you take in if you have PCOS. Yes, so because carbohydrate will definitely be processed again by the insulin and be broken down, so you don't overwork the pancreas, the insulin. Yeah, so another food to avoid is dairy products, gluten food as well. So you do more of vegetables, proteins, fruits. So this will help coupled with your medications. So I hope this video was helpful. Like, comment, and share this video. And whatever questions you have, you can just drop your questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.